the 2004 Lexus LX 470. Powered by a 4.7-liter V8 engine. With an automatic transmission, this four-wheel drive sport utility vehicle gets up to 17 miles per gallon. This Lexus features power door locks, alloy wheels, and four-wheel drive. Safety features include side airbags, traction control, and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include multi-disc CD player, navigation system, and Mark Levinson sound. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with the Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Putnam Lexus, a Carfax Advantage dealer.